Just in the last 24 hours, the number of fungal meningitis cases has gone from 91 to 105, with deaths increasing from 7 to 8. At least one San Diego doctor says he had a spike in calls from patients concerned about the risks. He has an important message for all San Diegans.
And then the medication is injected through there.
Dr. Michael Verdelin demonstrates a spinal steroid injection.
How long does the whole procedure take?
About 3 minutes.
It's very common for back pain. Dr. Verdelin has performed some 2,000 in the last year alone. It's also the same type of procedure the CDC says is behind the nationwide outbreak of fungal meningitis.
This morning alone, another 10 phone calls with a patient who went straight to the emergency room.
She is fine, but Dr. Verdelin says the anxiety level prompted him to assure his patients that he not only doesn't get his supplies from the company in question, but doesn't even use that type of steroid.
How careful do you have to be about where you get your medications?
I always pay attention to where I'm sourcing my materials from, but I never thought that I would have to get into the business of quality checking their quality checking.
And lack of quality checks may be the problem. The New England Compounding Center, where investigators say the fungal contamination behind the meningitis outbreak originated, is one of 7,500 small pharmacies in the U.S. that mix and blend custom medicines but are not federally regulated the way major pharmaceutical companies are.
You're not thinking, wait a minute, is my medication
contaminated? Exactly, because it's coming sealed.
The recalled steroid was shipped to about 75 clinics in the U.S., but none is in the San Diego area. The closest clinic on the list is in Palmdale.
The key issue is for patients to ask where their medicine is coming from. Is it coming from an accredited or inspected facility?
Now, this type of meningitis is not contagious, and the spinal injection is not the same as an epidural given to pregnant women. For a list of clinics that receive the recalled steroid, just click on the red TV button at 10news.com.